Okay, we will present our app, the Dr. G Dental Clinic Appointment Management System. The, the dental appointment management system designed to simplify appointment scheduling and record management for dental clinics. The platform allows patients to book appointments online, receive notification, and access their service history, while dentists can manage their schedule and keep digital records efficiently. Many dentist clinics still rely on manual scheduling and record keeping, leading to missed appointments, double booking, and difficult access records. This platform address these issues by allowing patients to book appointments online, get reminders, and view the service histories. Dentists can efficiently manage schedules and keep all records in one centralized system. Okay. See, the objectives: simplify appointment scheduling for patients and dentists through an intuitive online platform that allows users to easily book and reschedule appointments, minimize errors, and improve communication by providing a real-time notification and maintaining digital records for clear and accurate information exchange, enhance patients' experiences, transparency, and convenience by offering access to their appointment history and upcoming schedule in one centralized system. The scope is the system will manage treatment logs, provide calculated payment amounts of patients, and track follow-up notes. Payment transaction will be processed either in person or the third-party payment services. And then the limitation is the system will not process in-app payments. Telemedicine features like video consultation it is specifically designed for dental clinic and is not scalable to other healthcare settings. So ito po yung app namin, yan, dental clinic. So ito yung create account, tapos log in. So si patient muna ang magla-login para mapakita natin yung booking niya. So ito po yung dashboard ni patient. So yung home page niya. So dito makikita yung pangalan niya, tapos ito yung next appointment niya. Ayan. Yun makikita yung date, tapos yung cleaning, yung service niya, tapos status. So dito magbubuk si patient. Ayan. So ito yung itsura ng page ng booking. So magse-select muna siya ng date. So for example, mag-select muna siya sa March 14 siya mag-schedule. So pipili siya ng service. So date extraction. Tapos ano yung additional? Ano yung mas gustong dagdag? Sabihin sa dentist. Yan. So for example, yan. Yan. So na-book na niya. Yan. So dito makikita yung na-book na niya sa history. Dito makikita yung mga na-book niya. So nasaan yung na-book natin? So ito. Ito yon. So walang time kasi nga i-approve pa ni ni dentist yan, ni secretary. Ayan. So once na na-approve siya, diyan lalabas yung sila yung magbibigay ng time kung kailan bibisita yung patient. So pending yung isabihin, di pa siya approve. So ito yung process, ito yung na-approve. Dito malalagay yung approve na. Tapos dito yung complete, tsaka ito yung cancel. So, paano ma-approve ni admin? So, punta muna tayo sa admin side. So, ito yung homepage ni admin. So, dito makikita yung top na patients. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung date. Dito yung ma-check yung ano. Tapos, dito makikita yung yung mga binook ng mga patient dyan. So, wala pang time na kasi hindi pa nila na-approve. Yan. So, nasaan yung natin? So, ito yon. So, dito lalagay ko ano yung time. So, kahit ano, dyan. So, confirm. Tapos, pwede yung i-cancel yan. Tapos, back. Tapos, yun. Tapos, so, for example, 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. yung ibibigay niya. So, confirm. So, once na-confirm, ayan, na-approve na yan. Dito lalabas yung na-approve na, ayan. So, may time na, in-approve na ni ano. So, doon lalabas doon sa client side. So, yan yung itsura nun. So, process. So, completed, ayan. So, paano kung tapos na yung service ni patient? So, pindutin niya lang to is complete. Pwede nyo completuhin na. Ayan. So, once na tapos yung service, dito na matatapos. Ayan. Complete na. Ayan. So, kung paano, kung, kung nagpa-request si mabay, ano yun. Okay, dito. So, dito, ito yung mag-add siya ng service. Ayan. So, magulo lang to. So, pwede siya mag-add ng iba pang service, tapos dito ilalagay. Ayan. Dito mag-display. For example, is down to. Yan. Save. Yan. Naka-display na siya. So, dito, ito yung black date. So, dito black date. So, kapag yung dentist ay unavailable siya sa date na yon, maaari na may ginagawa, ayun, may urgent siya, may importante siya gawin. So, kailangan na, isa-select niya yung date meter, ayan. Siselect niya, tapos, dito niya pipindutin black date, tapos lalabas dyan. So, ibig sabihin, para kapag yung patient, alam nila na unavailable yun. So, unavailable yung date na yun. Di nila mabubuk yung date na yun, schedule. So, dito analytics. Ayan. So, yun lang. So, profile, ito, change password. Ayan. So, balik tayo uli sa, ano. So, dito, bumalik tayo uli sa, ano, sa patient. So, dito makikita na complete na. Ayan. So, pwede niya, so, ano na, kung nag-book siya, pwede siya magpa-request kung kung ika-cancel niya yung, ano, sched- yung yung schedule niya. So, once na napindot niya yung cancel, mare-receive yan ni secretary, tapos yun na mare-review yung mga sinabi ng ano. So, either ang gagawin ni admin ay pwede niyang i-reject or i-cancel or i-schedule yung ano. So, once na-cancel ni admin, dito mapupunta sa cancel. Ay, sa cancel, dito malalagay. Ayan. So, itong date picker. So, dito, ipipilter niya, i-filter niya kung ano yung date. So, ano na, pag nag-select ka ng date, lalabas lang dito yung mga date na book na. Yung na book. Ngayon. So, dito, sa notification, sa notification, kapag na-approve, na-approve ni, ni, ni admin, dito lalabas yun sa notification. Ayun. So, ganun din. So, yun lang ang, ano, so, yun